Welcome to an unparalleled fusion of design, luxury, and sophistication. Nestled within Kew's prestigious Studley Park precinct, this bespoke residence stands as a testament to architectural excellence, offering a lifestyle of opulence and indulgence. Dramatic and commanding, with a street presence that captivates the senses, this residence is a masterpiece crafted by Martin Friedrich Architects. From its resort-style opulence to its breathtaking city views, every detail has been meticulously designed for maximum enjoyment and relaxation. Step inside to discover soaring ceilings, walls adorned with sandblasted granite, and oak floorboards that exude warmth and sophistication. Luxe fittings, including custom lighting from Articolo Design Studio, elevate the ambience to new heights, while Venetian polished plaster adds a touch of elegance to every corner. Entertain with ease in the spacious formal living room, or unwind in the spectacular informal living and dining areas, which seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living. The entertainer's kitchen, featuring marble countertops and top-of-the-line Gaggenau and Millet appliances, is a chef's dream come true. Retreat to one of the 5 luxurious bedrooms, each boasting a marble ensuite and walk-in robe for ultimate comfort and privacy. The main suite, accompanying the entire top floor, is a sanctuary of indulgence, complete with a private living area, expansive walk-in robe, and breathtaking city views. For those seeking entertainment, the lower level is a haven of leisure, featuring a cinema, a games room with a bar, and an extensive cellar and wine tasting area. Natural light floods the space through large windows, creating an inviting atmosphere for gatherings and relaxation. Outside, a heated swimming pool and spa beckon for endless days of enjoyment, while an outdoor bathroom and sunken courtyard add to the allure of outdoor living. This bespoke residence is more than just a home, it's a sanctuary of luxury and redefinement, where every detail has been carefully considered for the ultimate living experience. Don't miss your chance to call this architectural masterpiece your own.